and find its measure. Tell me. What is it? So complementary angles, you know that supplementary angles are going to have sum as 180 degree. So it is complementary, and the complementary angles is the sum of two complementary angle is 90 degree. Okay, so if let this first angle is 16, let the second angle be x degree. So when you subtract it to this one, you will get 90. The value of x will be, tell me, tell me what's the answer. 16 plus x degree is equals to 90 degree. So that you will you will get x degree will be equals to 90 minus 16, and then you will get 74. It will be 74. Okay, 74 degrees. Note it down, please. Note it down, please.
Sir, actually the screen is not visible for me.
We have to check the questions, and here the questions error. Okay, I have not checked it, this one. I just, then it's complement. I just checked this one. So this we have to do that if one angle is 16 degree more than its complement, then find its measure. Okay, so we will say that let the first angle be x, second angle will be x plus 16, and the both when they are going to have the sum, so that their sum should be 90 degree. Okay, so here now you have to find out the value of x. Okay, got it? It is saying that if one angle is 16 degree more than its complement, then its complement, then its complement, 16 degree more than its complement, and find the measure of the other angle. So it should be 16 degree more than its complements. Yeah. So if I'm saying that 16 degree more than its complement, so what do you mean by the complement? Yeah, it is correct. You were saying, yeah, here it is saying 16 degree more than its complement. So if I'm saying that if one angle is 50 degree, then its complement will be 40 degree. Just for explaining it. Okay. Alvina, are you getting this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if I'm saying that if some angle is 60 degree, then what will be the value of its complement? 30 degree. Okay. So if I'm saying that if some angle is 16 degree more than its complement, so find the measure of the angles. So it's what will be the value of its complement? If, for example, if I'm saying 60 degree more than its complement, so if you think that it is one x, so what would be the if the angle is x, let the angle is x, okay, then its complement will be 90 minus x. Okay, are you getting this one? Its complement will be 90 minus x, and this angle is 16 degree more. Okay, then its complement, so it means this angle is still 16 degree more. So if we equal to this one, okay, okay, now you know that it is saying that it is 16 degree more. So it is still 16 degree more than its complement. It's, so if I'm saying that if an angle is a 16 degree, x degree, then its complement will be 90 minus x. Got it? Got it?
Yes,
Got
sir.
it?
Yes,
Now
sir.
what you are going to do here is still it is 16 degree more. So to make it equal, I will add 16 here. To make it equal, I will add 16 here. Got it? Got it?
Yes.
So this will go to that side. You will get 2x is equals to 106. Then x is equals to, when you divide it, you will get 53. Okay, 53 degree. So do it, please. Copy it. Done? Done?
Yes, sir.
So this will be simple questions. So x will be 51. Now what will be its complement? Tell me what will be its complement? What will be its complement? Its complement 53. If an angle is 53, then its complement will be 90 minus 53. Tell me its complement will be 90 minus 53. So 90 minus 53, how much you will get? Tell me. 43 or how much? Not 40. 90 minus 53, how much you are going to get? 7. Then it is 8. 8 minus 5, 37. Okay. Now subtract 53 minus 37. You will get 16. Okay. Still you will get 16. So here it is correct that the angle is 16 degree and it is 53 degree and it is 16 degree more than its complement. Okay. Got it? So then the measure of angle is 53 degrees. Got it?
Yes,
Alvina
sir.
and Rima, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Next question. Do the next question, please. Now you find out the next question, please. What's the answer for this question? Tell me, what's the answer for the next question? Here it is saying that in x or y line, if it is given that this angle is this value and this angle is this one, the value of angle XOZ. So this is very simple. You add this to 6x plus 30 plus 4x will be equals to 180 degrees. Then you will get 10x, 10x. Okay, and then you will get 10x is equals to 180 minus 30. Then you will get 10x is equals to 150. Then you will get x is equals to how much? 150 by 10, you will get 15 degrees. Got it? Now put the value here and get the value. Tell me fast what's the answer here. So angle XOZ will be equals to how much? 6x plus 30. So it will be 6 into 30. 6 into 15 plus 30. 6x plus 30 is equals to 6 into 30, 15. 6 into 15 plus 30. 690, 90 plus 30, you will get 120 degrees. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do the next one, please. Do this question. Done, Alvina? This question number? Have you done this one? Tell me fast. In the given figure AB parallel to CD, it is given to you, and it is given that angle, this the interior angle, this one is given to you, that is 4x minus 10, and this angle is given to you, that is this one. Find the value of x and y. Find the value of y and z. So that is very simple. First you need to find out the value of this angle, find out the value of x, and then you will be able to find out. So how you find out? This is very simple. You write 4x minus 10 plus 3x minus 20 is equals to 180 degrees, because the sum of these two interior angles, okay, will be equals to 180 degree. Now you add this to, because this is a simple plus sign, so the bracket will open. 4x minus 10 plus 3x minus 20 is equals to 180 degrees. Then 4x minus 10, you will get 7x, and how much you will get? Minus of 30 is equals to 180 degrees. Then this will be 7x, okay, 7x is equals to 180 minus 30, sorry, plus 30, it will be plus 30, because when it goes to that side, it will become plus 30, it will be 210. 7x, then x is equals to 210 divided by 7, you will get 7 3s are 21, 30. To get the value of x as 30, now put the value and find the value, because you know that when these lines are formed, okay, so whatever the value of this angle is, it will be equal to z. Z will be equals to 3x minus 20. So put it down, the z will be equals to 3x minus 20 degrees. That would be equals to 3 into 30 minus 20. That would be equals to 3 3 the 9, 90 minus 20. That would be 70 degrees. Okay, got it, Alvina?
Yes, sir.
And this will be z, because this and this is vertically opposite. And you know that this angle, whatever the value of this angle you got, you have to subtract from 180 to get this y. Because when these two lines are line, whatever the value of this angle you get, suppose you get 80 degrees, this one, so this will be 100 degrees. Okay, because this and this angle sum 180 degree. So whatever the value you are getting for this angle, you have to subtract it from 180 to get this value. So in short, you can write, in short, what you can write here is that y, if I talk about y angle, so I can write it here, that this y will be equals to 180 minus this angle, 4x minus 10. Most of the student, what are they going to do? They will not, they will just write it like this way, 180 minus 4x minus 10. They will write it like this way. It is incorrect. When you write it in bracket, this sign will become positive when you open the bracket. So you have to keep in mind that you are not going to commit any silly mistake. Okay, 180 minus, write it, or you can solve the bracket first. 4 into, what is the value of x you get? The value of x is 30, so put it 30 here, and then minus 10. First multiplication comes, so multiply it. Okay, multiply it, so you will get 180 minus 4 3 is a 12, you will get 120. So right here minus sign as it is, 120 minus 10, you will get 110. So you will get 180 minus 110. Now this is 110. This bracket you solve, you will get 110, and then you will get 70 degrees. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And this
Yes,
is
sir.
absolute. So both of them, these angle x and y will be equal. Got it? Sorry, z and y will be equal. So please note it down. If you have not noted, please note it down. We will send it the question paper to you, and then you have to practice this question paper. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Note it down if you have not done this one. So here I will write the answers, that this answer here x is equals to, sorry, y is equals to z is equals to 70 degrees. Okay. And this I need to separate the solution. Okay, let's move to the next part. How will you prove that if the two lines intersect each other? Okay, how will you prove if the two lines intersect each other, then their vertically opposite angles are equal? How will you prove? Let's suppose we have the two lines and they intersect each other. Then how will you prove that if we have the two lines, this is A, B, and C, D, they intersect each other? Then we need to prove that they are vertically opposite angle, that this is angle 1, let it is angle 2, angle 2, this is angle 3, this is angle 4. How will you prove that uh, that their vertically opposite angles are equal? So you know that these are the straight lines. So you will write that angle 1 plus angle 4 will be equals to 180 degrees. Why? Because it is linear pair, because it is a straight line. Similarly, you will write angle 2, okay, angle 2 plus angle 3 is also equals to 180 degrees. Why? Because it is linear pair. Okay. And they both are equals to 180 degrees. Got it? Similarly, you will write this and this, right? Angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is also equals to 180 degrees because it is also a linear pair. So let me explain you that this is also a linear pair, straight line. And this is also a linear pair, straight line. Okay. So this is also a linear pair. Okay. So you equating equation first and second. This is first equation. This is third equation, second equation. Let remove this one. Okay. So equating because they both are equals to 180 degrees. So you write here angle 1 plus angle 4 equals to, equating equation first and second, we'll get angle 1 plus angle 4 is equals to angle 1 plus angle 2. You cancel out each other. You will get angle 4 is equals to angle 2. Similarly, you will write angle 4, angle 1 will be equals to, angle 1 will be equals to angle 3. Hence proved. Okay, understood? Understood, Alvina,
Yes,
Rima?
got it. Yes.
Next question, if I give it to you, Here, this is a question on your screen, and please do this one. Try to solve this one, please. So, is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
How will you solve this one? Read the question first. In the figure 7.4, D and E are the points on side BC. Okay, D and E are the point on side BC, such that it is being given to you that this side, this portion is equal to this portion. And AD is equals to AE. This side is also equals to this side. So you need to prove that, show that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ABD. This triangle is congruent to this triangle. So you know that only the things that is being given to you, that this side is equals to this side. Yeah, it is given to you. This side is equals to this side. And this side is equals to this side. It is being given to you. What you need is that you need to prove this two triangle congruent. So for this triangle, you need either this side is equals to this side, or the angle between them, or the angle between these two, you need to prove them congruent, equal. If you are able to prove this one, now you need to tell me that how will you prove that angle ADB will be equals to ACE? How will you prove that angle ADB will be equals to angle AEC? How will, this is the task. If you are able to prove this one, this is very simple, that this side AD will be equals to AE, it is given, BD is equals to C, it is also given, and if this angle is equals to this angle, so by SAS, these two triangles will be congruent. So this is the task. This is the task, that how will you prove this two angles equal? Tell me fast. Alvina, tell me, how will you prove? Alvina, you there? Rima,
Yes, sir, I'm here.
how will you able to prove this angle will be equals to this angle? Hmm? This is very simple. How will you able to prove this one? Tell me, how will you able to prove this one? You know that if this side is equals to this side, so a triangle ADE, it is given, since you will write, I'm not writing to prove and given here, okay? I'm just proving only. You have to write it by your own. To prove by your own. Given, you have to prove by your own, okay? Write it here. I'm just going to prove, okay? So what you are going to prove here is that you know that AD is equals to AE, it is given to you. So Rima, can you tell me that if the two sides of a triangles are equal, that this side is equals to this side, then will this angle be equal?
Yes, sir, it will be. Yes.
Yes, because the, so we will say that we'll say that let then in triangle ADC ADE, okay, in triangle ADE, uh this side is equals to this side. Okay, so that's why we'll say that triangle ADE is an isosceles triangle, and therefore angle ADE ADE will be equals to angle AEC. Okay, ADE will be equals to angle AE, not AED. It will be AED. And let's say that is equals to x. So if this angle is equals to x, so this will be also equals to x. Now you know that this two angles is 180 minus x. So what will be the value of this angle? It will be 180 minus x. And this will be also 180 minus x. So whatever the value of this angle will be, but this will be equal 180 minus x. If x is 30, then it will be 150. The both will be 150. If x is 60, then it will be 180 minus 60. That will be 120 degrees. So whatever the value of x is, we don't want to find out the value of x. But we know that, therefore, we will write here, therefore, angle ADB will be equals to 180 minus x, and angle AEC will also be equals to 180 minus x. So indirectly, if they both are equals to 180 minus x, so therefore we can say that angle ADB will be equals to angle AEC. AEC. This is first, this is second. You will write from first and second, we will find out that these two angles are equal. So if these two angles are equal, then it is very simple. Now you can take this. Now, if you have proved this one, then it is very simple. Now, in triangle, which triangle you will take? ADB. Here is ADB. In triangle ADB and triangle AEC. It is given to you that BD is equals to CE. It is given. First thing. Second thing, you have proved that this second is, it is given the second side is also given to you. This side AD is equals to AE, it is also given. AD is equals to AE, it is given to you. So write down here, AD is equals to AE, and angle this ABD, angle ADB is equals to angle AEC is equals to, they are equal, AEC. And if these two are equal, so by side angle side, the triangle, these two triangle will be congruent. These two triangle ADB will be congruent to triangle AEC. So you write ADB will be congruent to triangle AEC. Hence proof. So please copy this one. Copy this one, please. Properly copy this one. Noted this one, Alvina and Rima? Noted?
Yes, sir.
So let's take the next question, please. So here we have the next question on your screen. Just do it, please. What is this question what is in the question is being given? The bisector of interior angle B and exterior angle of ACD of triangle ABC intersect at point T. What is it we're saying? The bisector of angle B and exterior angle ACD of triangle ABC. So first we need to draw the triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC, and it is saying the bisector of angle B, interior angle B. So it is the interior angle B. So its bisector is this. Okay. And the exterior angle ACD. So exterior angle ACD, D will take like this. This is D here. And its exterior angle bisector. This is the exterior angle bisector. They meet together at point T. So they are meeting together at point T. Prove that BTC is equals to half angle BAC. So let consider this one. This is very important that you need to understood here. Okay. This is angle 1. So we consider that since it is a bisector, so we will consider that if it is X, so this will be also X. Tell me fast.
Yes, sir.
And if it is Y, then this will be also Y. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
What you need? BTC. Where is BTC? BTC. This is BTC. Okay, BTC. And what you need another is BAC. BAC is this one. You need the relation of these two. So this question can be solved by using the exterior angle sum property. What is the exterior angle sum property? Can you tell me that what is exterior angle sum property? What is exterior angle sum property?
The sum of
Can you
opposite interior angles is the exterior angle.
yeah, the sum of opposite interior angles is equals to the exterior angle. So if it is X, it is 1, this is 2. Okay, let's for example, so it will be equals to, or we will take here A. So A will be equals to angle 1 plus angle 2. Got it? Got
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes.
So can you tell me that Y plus Y, this whole angle will be equals to 2Y? Can I write it 2Y?
Yes.
Rima? For angle ACD, can I write 2Y? Rima, you there?
Except there's is the
This whole angle, if it is Y, so this whole angle, if I talk about this one, I'm just making it with different color. Okay, making it with different color. So if it is Y, so this will be also equals to Y. Okay, the both are equal. So the whole angle will be equals to 2Y. So I will write it 2Y. This 2Y will be equals to what? This 2x plus this angle. Okay,
2x plus angle. Yes, sir.
2x plus angle BAC. Why I'm not writing giving any name? Because we need this one in our, that's why I'm not giving it any name. Okay, so this will be write it BAC, angle BAC. Okay, angle
Thank you.
BAC. Why? Because exterior angle sum property is the reason. Now, what is being given to you? Next, can you tell me that what is the value of y in triangle? In triangle, we are taking this one in triangle ABC. This is in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. Now, if I took in triangle BTC, 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 can you tell me that angle Y will be equals to how much? Angle Y will be equals to how much?
2x plus BAC.
Yeah, it will be equals to, it will be equals to, you know that this is Y, na? This angle is Y. This angle is Y. So this angle Y will be equals to this angle X plus this angle X. Got it? So we will write
Yes,
here
sir.
angle X plus angle BTC. BTC. Okay. This is the second equation and this is your first equation. Okay. Now you need to equate these two because you don't need Y and you don't need this X. So if you multiply this second equation by 2, this will also become 2Y. So just equate it by 2. Multiplying second equation by 2. Second equation by 2. So when you multiply second equation by 2, you will get 2y is equals to 2x. Okay. 2x. Okay. 2y, 2x, and this will be 2btc. Okay. Now this 2btc will be equal to, now this 2y is also equals to this thing. So equating these two, equating equation first and second, what you will get? You will get 2x plus 2x plus 2btc. 2 times of btc will be equals to this. Okay. 2x plus angle BAC. This x and x will cancel out each other. And this 2 will goes to that side. You will get BTC angle will be equals to half angle BAC. This is how you need to solve this question. Okay. Got it? Please copy this one fast. Copy this one fast. Done, dull Alvina and Rima copied that one. Alvina,
Done, sir.
you Rima copied.
Yes, sir.
Next. This is your question on your screen. How will you solve this question, please? Can you tell me? Here is the question that you need to understand. Here is this question. Here is the question. How will be able to solve this question? In the given figure, Q is greater than R, it is given to you. So let it be if it is given. So PA is the bisector of angle. PA is the bisector of angle QPR. QPR. So it is QPR. So this angle is equals to this angle. It is given to you. You need to prove that uh, angle APM, only this angle. Which angle? Only this angle X. Okay, let this angle QPM is equals to half angle Q minus R. Okay, so first of all, when you are proceeding in a question, when you are moving towards a question, then how will you proceed towards a question that this is an important task? You know that whatever is being given to you, that it is equal, that this is a bisector of angle this one, so write it X, this write it also X. Okay, means you can write it is given to you, it is being given to you that angle QPA is equals to angle RPA. RPA is equals to X. We are considering as X. It is given to you. Okay. And what you need to prove? You have to find out the relation between APM. Okay. How will you do this question? First of all, you need Q minus R. So how will you get Q minus R? So at least you need to equate the equation Q. How will you make the equation with Q? So you have to take two different angles in which Q angle will be there. Okay. Q angle should be there. So this Q angle and this, what is the relationship between Q and this one? Uh, you can write it in a very simple manner because you need to two different things, because you can write with 180 degree also angle P plus Q plus R. One equation can be formed like this: angle Q plus angle P plus angle R equals to 180 degree. But this equation we don't require. Why? Because we need Q minus R and it is plus. So when we have two different equations, two different triangles, then we are able to solve this question. So we need to have different triangles such that one triangle is having only Q, another triangle is having only R. Another triangle is going to have only R. Okay. So you know that here, the one thing that you feel that this is 90 degrees being given to you. This 90 degrees, so this will be also 90 degrees. So you can write that angle Q in triangle, take this triangle PQM. Right here in triangle PQM, this angle, only this angle, and this angle will be equals to 90 degree. Why? Because this is 90 degree already. So if in a triangle, right angle triangle, if this is 90 degree, then the sum of other two angle will be equals to 90 degree. So you can write in triangle QPM, angle Q plus angle QPM. Angle QPM is equals to 90 degrees. Why? Because this is 90 degrees given to you. So the sum of this angle and this angle will be equals to 90 degree. Rima, you got it?
Yes.
Now similarly, in triangle PMR, take triangle PMR. Take this triangle. Okay. So when you take this triangle PMR, in triangle PMR, you will find that angle R, angle R, angle R plus angle MPR. MPR is also equals to 90 degrees. Got it? MPR means this whole angle. If I talk about this whole angle and plus this angle will be equals to 90 degrees. Why? Because this whole angle and this angle should be 90 because it is 90 degree. So this whole angle MPR plus this angle should be equals to 90 degree. Now what you need? You need Q minus R. Q minus R. So how will you get Q minus R? This is the equation first. This is equation 2. When you subtract the second equation from first. So write it subtracting equation first, sorry, second from first. So when you subtract it, you will get Q minus R, angle Q minus angle R, and write down this one, plus angle QPM minus angle MPR, MPR. And this 90 minus 90 will become equal to 0. Got it? Means I write what I write here, Q minus R, and this minus this, and this minus this equal to 0. Got it? You understood, Alvina?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes.
do you need QPM? No. Do you need MPR? No. You need AMP. So split this one. Split this one. Right here, Q minus R like this plus what is QMP? QMP. Okay. You know that this whole QMP, this only this angle we are talking about. So we just write it QMP, QPM, sorry, QPM. This whole angle, this only angle. But what is angle MPR? MPR. What is angle MPR? MPR is actually this angle plus this angle. Okay, this angle means this angle. MPR is actually this angle plus this angle. So you need only this angle. So write it in the bracket. What is split the MPR angle? So when you split the MPR angle, what you are going to get? What you are going to get? Tell me. You can write it R, okay, RPA, RPA plus AMR, 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 A, APM, sorry, APM, APM equal to 0. Got it? You understood?
Yes, sir.
Now you know that you need Q minus R, you get Q minus R, but you multiply this one, you will get 2 through this side. So at least you need to prove 2 APM is equals to angle Q minus angle R. Okay, you need 2 times of APM. So how will you get 2 times of APM? At least you need to add 1 more times of APM to it now. So just Q minus angle R is equals to QPM, write it QPM, okay, and just a minute, minus, this will become minus RPA minus APM, okay, equal to 0. So what you get when you subtract, just listen to me. Now it is being given to you that, now just come to the point. This is the angle bisector. This is X and this is also X. This is the angle bisector. Okay. And QPM plus APM. Okay. When QPM minus APM is here. Na? So APM minus QPM. And this is, just a minute. We have just subtracted this one. So this is QPM. Let's do this one and the next part. Just a minute. It's 28. Okay, 2 minutes remaining. So now you know that this angle is equals to this angle. It is being given to you that it is X. It is X. And we need Q minus R. We have Q minus R here. And half of this we need 2 PM. So do we need to add QPM? QPM plus AMR. AMR. Okay. So it is being given to you QPM plus AMR is equals to RPA plus AMR, AMR, A, APR, sorry, APR, APM, sorry, APM. So this one goes to that side. So it will become QPM minus RPM. This when you subtract it, okay? What you are going to get? 2 times of minus of APM you will get here. Okay, the value of this one is actually APM. I will prove it. The value of this one, QPM minus RPM. Okay, this is QPM minus RPA. RPA. Yeah, when you subtract, just listen to me, concentrate here. What you will get when you have this value, RPA and minus QPM. Okay, so when you goes to that side, okay, just listen to me, this will goes to that side. Let I'm just going to take each and everything to that side. Okay, so this will become plus of RPA minus of QPM, and this will, when goes to that side, it will also become plus of APM, and the value of this one is APM. So you can write it QPR minus RPA minus QPM. RPA minus QPM. This is equals to X. Okay, this is equals to X, and this is also equals to X. So actually, indirectly, we can write it in place of RPA. RPA, I can write QPA. So I can write in place of RPA, because RPA is X. So this is also X. This is the angle bisector. So you can write it QPA. So in place of RPA, you can write QPA. QPA minus QPM. Okay, plus APM. So when you subtract QPA, this minus QPM, this portion, you will get this only. Okay. So you can write it Q, angle Q minus R is equals to, this 2 is going to give you angle APM, and again angle APM. Okay, this APM will become equal, and you will write, when you read it in detail, you will get this value. Okay, Q minus angle R, and this will become 2 angle APM. Okay, and then you can subtract it. This will goes to that side, and you will able to prove. So you can write Q minus R, angle Q minus angle R, and this 2 will comes down, you will get angle APM. So let me explain you one more time. This we have done up to here. Everybody should get understood. I think so. Now what I did here is I just bring each and everything to that side. It will become positive. This become positive. This is negative. It will also become positive, and this is positive. This become negative. Now you know that RPA, this angle, okay, and this whole angle is X. Why? Because it is the angle bisector. It is given in the question. It is given. So I just, in place of RPA, I just write QPA. I just write QPA because they both are equal. So RPA can be replaced by QPA. So I just replace this one, QPA. I just replace this one because I write here RPA is equals to QPA, angle QPA, because it is a bisector. It is given to you. So I just replace this one. And when I just replace this one, so now you know that QPA minus this QPM. So QPA minus this QPM, this angle. So you will get only this angle. Okay, you will get only this angle. So this will be APM. So I just write APM, and this APM is already present here. So I write APM here, and you get the answer. Now you understood, Alvina?
Yes, sir.
And Rima, I will send you the answer sheet of this one. that we are doing here. Okay, I will send it to you and we will discuss this one in the next class. Okay, that's all for today. We'll meet you in the next one. Thanks for joining. Okay.
So thank you so